Okay, so if I am making my essay, first things first, you gotta go to the course, English 3. And then I'm going to go to distance learning materials. And then I'm going to go to the argument essay, so assignment 3. Then I'm going to click this essay outline. Then I'm going to open the document. Enable editing. Okay, so first things first, we have to make a hook. So it's easier if you just delete these lines so you can type right under them. So I delete the lines, and then I'm going to click enter. And then make sure I change my font to Times New Roman, size 12. Okay, so my opening hook that I would do would be like something like, did you know that the Holocaust is considered a genocide? Okay, so that's my hook. And then for my central idea, I think I'm going to do power. So I'm going to say something about if people have too much power, they may take things too far. Okay, so going off of talking about the Holocaust and having too much power, I'm going to say that it is possible to lose your humanity because that's what I think, but it's up to you what you choose. So I'm going to say it is possible to lose your humanity. Okay, and then you're going to give me 2 reasons why. So my reasons could be because millions of people have been killed for no reason, and because those people who killed them did not feel bad about it. So those could be 2 reasons that I would choose. And then when we go into the body paragraphs, you basically just need to use evidence from different articles. So you need to use evidence from 2 different articles, any of the ones we've used. And then when it comes to the rebuttal, you're going to talk about what other people would say if they were arguing against you. So I'm doing it is possible. So in my rebuttal argument, it's going to be some people might say that it is not possible because, and then I have to give an evidence, and then but I have to say, but this is not true. Okay, and your conclusion. Super easy. If you need any more help, message me on Schoology. We can hop on Zoom together and go through it. Okay.